We're here at Elmwood Park right now, and this is a hidden gem in the city of Syracuse. And actually, I grew up a couple blocks away and played in this park when I was a kid. And what is great today is we stocked this stream from our fish hatchery, and we stocked it about 3 weeks ago. And today we have kids from Dr. Week's school here really experiencing what many of our suburban and rural kids experience, but right here in the city. So we're just thrilled with the Save the Rain program, the Nature in the City program. It does so much to give these kids opportunities that they might not have had without this program.
What? Miss Park, I got something.